Welcome to Lazy Days!
Come join us in Tampa at Lazy Days. Bring your RV and stay for the weekend. Dance, laugh, and relax the night away at the RV there yet. Rolling Rendezvous Rally.
We're here at Lazy Days RV Resort in Tampa, Florida, and we want to invite you to our first Rolling Rendezvous Rally, November 12th to the 15th.
It's going to be a blast. Friday of the rally, we're kicking things off with a sip and shop, taste some of the flavors from our episodes.
And Friday night, we've got Nashville singer-songwriter Charlie Argo and his band. Saturday night, we've got a disco under the stars with neon and LED. It's going to be a wild time.
And on Sunday, we have a relaxing goat yoga right before you check out. It's $399 per campsite. That includes 2 people, all inclusive. Or if you want to just come hang out with us for the weekend, but you're not camping, it's $99 per person.
Register now online.
It's going to be a splash of a time.
At Lazy Days, together we'll fly.